Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to check the wallet on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the PlayStation app from wherever it is located. And as you open your PlayStation app, you're on this home page. So just stay at the home page and look down for the option PS Store, and as you see it, just press it. And as you do that, again look at the right top corner for the three bars and just press it to open that page. And as you do that, go for the option first, payment methods, and just press it to view the page. As it takes a while because it depends on your internet speed. And as it loads, you can see at first the wallet balance. So guys, that's how you check your wallet on the PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.